Equitable Bank's founding date depends on which institution you're referring to, as there are several banks with that name. Equitable Bank in Canada was founded in 1970 as the Equitable Trust Company. The Equitable Bank, a community bank in the United States, was established on May 24, 1927, though its roots trace back to an insurance business founded in 1878. There's also Equitable Bank in Nebraska, which was founded in 1882. Welcome to my channel. Today we'll be talking about building a budget that actually works. The 50/30/20 rule. One of the most effective and simple budgeting methods is the 50/30/20 rule. It's easy to remember and helps you allocate your income in a way that balances your needs, wants, and financial goals. 50% for needs. This is the largest portion of your budget and it's for the essentials. Think of things you can't live without, like rent or mortgage payments, groceries, utilities, transportation, and minimum debt payments. These are non-negotiable expenses. 30% for wants. This is for the fun stuff. Party popper. This category includes everything that isn't absolutely essential. This could be dining out, subscriptions to streaming services, hobbies, shopping for clothes, or that daily coffee. Being mindful of this category helps prevent overspending on non-essentials. 20% for savings and debt repayment. This is where you prioritize your financial future. This 20% should go toward building an emergency fund, saving for retirement, investing, or paying down high-interest debt beyond the minimum payments. This is the key to achieving your long-term financial goals. Why it works. The beauty of the 50/30/20 rule is its flexibility and simplicity. It provides a clear framework without being overly restrictive. You can adjust the percentages slightly to fit your specific situation, but the core principle of balancing needs, wants, and savings remains. It helps you stay on track without feeling deprived, making it a sustainable habit for the long run. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.